Another Dallas neighborhood wakes up to an early morning phone call from local officials warning of Ebola. A second case of the deadly disease was confirmed in the middle of the night. Dallas County Judge Clay Jenkins.
This is a person with their life before them.
The patient, a nurse from a nearby apartment who treated Thomas Eric Duncan. He was a Liberian man who died of the disease last week at a local hospital. She's a second nurse from the hospital to contract the disease during his care. Dr. Daniel Varga is with Texas Health Services, which owns the hospital.
A lot is being said about what may or may not have occurred to cause some of our colleagues to contract this disease. But it's clear there was an exposure somewhere, sometime in their treatment of Mr. Duncan.
The nurse's apartment is being decontaminated and her friends and neighbors are being briefed. Dallas Mayor Mike Rawlings is calling for calm.
I continue to believe that while Dallas is anxious about this, and with this news this morning, the anxiety level goes up a level, we are not fearful.
Fearful, no, but concerned, yes. Dallas officials say the fight against Ebola in their city is now on two fronts. Some 50 people were in so-called disease contact with Eric Duncan. The good news is that none of them show symptoms of Ebola, and Sunday marks the end of their incubation period, when they'll be in the clear. But the concern is that second front against Ebola.
At the hospital, we have a situation involving 77 people, 2 of which have tested positive for Ebola. We are preparing contingencies for more, and that is a very real possibility.
Officials are adding staff to make sure the Dallas hospital follows proper protocol and there's no further transmission of the disease.